हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम कर रहे हैं हनी ड्यू 8th क्लास का सेकंड चैप्टर द सुनामी। तो सुनामी क्या होती है? वेरी लार्ज स्केल पे जो बड़ी बड़ी लहरें होती हैं, ठीक है, पावरफुल होती हैं, अपने अपने आगे जो भी आता है उनको अपने साथ ले जाते हैं, उन्हें सुनामी कहते हैं। तो इंट्रोडक्शन करते हैं। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन क्या बोलता है? इंट्रोडक्शन आपका बोलता है, the parts given are some important and inspiring incident. This occurred when the tsunami hit some same parts of the India. The story as from the Andaman Nicobar, ये जो स्टोरी है ये कहाँ की है? अंडमान निकोबार की है, ठीक है। Unfortunately, Agnes. The first story is Agnes situation. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. seeing a earthquake, and legends put a television off ground to save it from the quake. All the members of the family rushed out when the tremors stopped. They say she resigning the causing the confused. They run but opposite direction. His wife was swept out her two child along with her father and brother were also lost. Thus injection lost of wife, two child, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. अब बात करते हैं दूसरा, ब्रेव संजीव। तो संजीव वॉज अ पुलिसमैन। ही मैनेज टू सेव हिमसेल्फ, हिज वाइफ एंड बेबी डॉटर। देन ही हैड टू क्राई टू हेल्प। दिस वेयर फ्रॉम जॉन्स वाइफ। जॉन्स वॉज अ गेस्ट हाउस कुक। संजीव जम्प इनटू वाटर टू सेव हेयर द बोट वेयर स्विफ्ट एंड ड्रॉइंग। देन फ्रंटेड मेघना। तो मेघना वॉज अ 13 years ओल्ड। तो मेघना कितने साल की है? 13 years की है। सी वॉज स्विफ्ट वाई अलॉन्ग विथ हेयर पेरेंट्स एंड 77 other peoples, ओके। She held on to a wooden door and kept it floating. On 2 days she was brought to the shore by a waves and saved. Almas was a 10 years old. Almas कितने साल का है? 10 साल का है। The family was sleeping, but her father was woken up. He saved the water reading. After the tumult, he never would come back within great forest. He wake everyone, try to rush to suffer safer safer place. Safer place, asked the grandfather. Fell down. Alma's father rushed to help him. The came a big waves swept them. Both both her mother and aunt were washed too. They were swept by with they three there he holding on. 3 day holding. Okay, Almas saved a long of wood floating. He climbed on the then sea went and woke up a hospital in Karmota. ठीक है। देन इसका सेकंड पार्ट है, ये आपका सेकंड पार्ट है, देखिए। चलिए सेकंड पार्ट करते हैं हम लोग। सेकंड पार्ट में आपसे बोल रहा है, दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ थाईलैंड। ये जो स्टोरी है ये थाईलैंड की है। सेकंड स्टोरी कहाँ की है? थाईलैंड की। पहले हमने अंडमान निकोबार की स्टोरी करी है, थाईलैंड की कर रहे हैं। तो Tilly's family had come to Thailand and England. The celebration Christmas, it was at December 26, was standing here with her family the beach. Tilly and her mother Penny seemed both save a water swing. The beach was getting similar and similar every moment. The save the sea slowly rise of the start to form till save a sea make whirlpools. Teeny's mother was not alarmed in the singing. Teeny's remembered the video that her geography teacher had show in the class 2 weeks before I could and there are a sure sing of tsunami. She scammed asked her family go to off beach. The mother did not see anything trembling his sea. Howard feel that their daughter must be right. Tilly, pa- Tilly parents Tilly's parents took her sister to the swimming pool at the hotel. Many others also left the beach. With them then was it enter sea come after the family took refuge in their third floor of the note the hotel the building wizard forest tsunami they started beach of wood and been dead. चलिए थर्ड पार्ट तो थर्ड पार्ट है वो द एनिमल सेंस है एनिमल सेंस के बारे में आपको थर्ड पार्ट बता रखा है द एनिमल सेंस तो सम पीपल बिलीव्ड एन एनिमल्स पोसेस इन अ सिक्स सेंस कितने सेंस होते हैं सिक्स द सुनामी किल्ड 1,50,000 50,000 people but only five animal dead in Yal National Park in Sri Lanka. 60 veterans in a Warsaw, but animals dead in a same park. People observed their par- parents observe observe the three three elephants run off beach of before tsunami. A man coast of Gale and Sri Lanka. Two dogs on the flat in tsunami refused to go to beach and master to back. The dogs has saved on also.